Hello everyone, my name is Jack Morgan and today I will be showing you guys my Caesar Cipher program made using Python. So you can see on the screen I've got welcome to Caesar Cipher. This program encrypts and decrypts text using Caesar Cipher. Would you like to encrypt E or decrypt D? So let's first try encrypting it. So we're going to type in E. Would you like to read from a file F or the console C? I'm going to pick C for console. Now, what would I like to encrypt? So I'm going to try my name. So I'm going to go Jack Morgan. Press enter. What is shift number? Let's try the number 2. And you can see now it's encrypted it to LCENOQTICP. Now, would I like to encrypt or decode another message? I'm going to say yes. Let's try D for decrypting. Would you like to read from a file or console? I'm going to say C. What message would you like to decrypt? And I'm going to try LCEN. And then, is that an O or a 0? I think it's an O. We're going to go with an O. So, QTICP. There's your shift number. We said it, we went for the number 2. So, we're going to go to Jack Morgan. So, as you can see, first it can encrypt it. And then it can also decrypt it. So, now I'm going to show you it using files. I'm going to say Y for yes. Okay. Careful. It's a lowercase y. Now we may have broken it. So, now that we've got it back on track, we're going to go for encrypt. So now we're going to go for E. We're going to pick file. So we're going to go for F. File name. So I'm going to try messages.txt, which is a file which I've already created. And I put shift number. We're going to pick 2. See, output written to results.txt. So now it has written into results.txt like there. Now what I'm going to try is if you say yes, we would like to. Now we're going to go for D for decrypt. Would you like to read from a file or console? We're going to pick from a file. Now we're going to type in results.txt and see will it decrypt. And the shift number, which is number 2. Output written to results.txt. Hello world. Right, there you go. So you can see it's encrypted it and then it has decrypted it. So the program has worked as expected. As I said earlier, I created this using Python code. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a project that I did during my first year of university, so I made it back in September 2022, so it's quite a while ago now. But as you can see, it fully works for encrypting and decrypting code using both the console and files. Thank you for watching.